Seeing YouTube error 153? I'll show 6 quick fixes that usually resolve it. First, reproduce the error with a screen recording so you can follow along. Clear your browser cache and cookies, then reload the video. Update your browser to the latest version and relaunch. Disable extensions temporarily, especially ad blockers, then test the player again. Check your network, restart your router or run a quick speed test. Try a different device or browser, this isolates whether it's device specific. If nothing works, re-upload the video from your original file and overwrite. Still seeing the error? Wait a few hours, sometimes YouTube backend fixes itself. As a last resort, contact YouTube support with your video ID and error details. Quick recap: cache, update, disable extensions, test network, try another device, re-upload. Done. Follow these steps and your video player should be back online.